Welcome to Chapter 1, The Accounting Equation. Essential Outcomes. Each chapter you will be given essential outcomes that will show you what you are expected to know by the time you reach the end of the chapter. In this chapter, you will be applying transactions that affect the accounting equation by A. Classifying assets, liabilities, or owner's equity and demonstrating their relationship in the accounting equation. B. You'll be analyzing how transactions affect accounts in an accounting equation. C. You'll identify accounting concepts and practices related to a service business. D. Determining net change in owner's equity. E. You'll be connecting key terms in the chapter with application. What is accounting? At this point, please stop the PowerPoint and you will watch the following video. You can either click on the link, and if the link is not accessible, check with your teacher. You may find it either through Google Classroom or Edpuzzle. Once you finish with the video, return to this PowerPoint to continue. Make sure that you answer all of the questions that are presented to you in the video. Accounting careers. So what kinds of jobs can you get in the accounting field? If you look at the list to your left, you're going to see that there are a lot of accounting careers that are available, such as a financial analyst, a personal financial planner, a tax accountant, accounting manager, controller, all the way down to even being an FBI special agent and an audit manager. You can also be a plant controller, a sports accounting, professional athlete accounting, real estate. You can also be a bookkeeper, a payroll clerk, etc., etc. These are some of the jobs that you can participate in if you decide to choose an accounting career. Let's take a look at some accounting terminology. Accounting is the planning, recording, analyzing, and interpreting financial information for a business. An accounting system is the type of system that a business will use that will help them plan a process for providing financial information that will be useful to management. Accounting records summarize in an organized fashion the business's financial activities. Financial statements are reports that summarize the financial condition and operations of a business. Financial statements help owners and managers determine their course in history. A service business performs an activity for a fee. For example, an accountant, a lawyer, or a dentist can all be seen as service businesses. Proprietorship. A proprietorship is a business that is owned by one person. Assets. Assets are what a business owns, such as a building, a computer, machines, paper supplies. These are types of assets. Equities. There are actually two ways that an owner has financial rights to the equity in the business. The first way is through the equity to those whom money is owed. This would be liabilities. This is the debt or the money owed to creditors. The second way is the actual amount invested in the business by the owner. Liabilities is what a business owes or its debt for purchasing assets. Owner's equity is what the owner has invested. It is the amount remaining after the value of all liabilities is subtracted from the value of all assets. The accounting equation. The accounting equation is assets equals liabilities plus owner's equity. The accounting equation must always be in balance after each transaction. Ethics. Ethics is the principle of right and wrong that guides people in making decisions. Business ethics, on the other hand, is the principles of right and wrong that guide businesses in making financial decisions. Please stop here and watch the following video on Edpuzzle or Google Classroom. Check with your teacher to see whether you should click on the link or if you should go right to Google Classroom or Edpuzzle. Return to this PowerPoint after watching the video. Make sure you answer all of the questions requested in the video. Welcome back. It's now time to do some hands-on activity. You will start with 1-1, work together in your working papers. Please open your textbook to page 9. You will also need page 5 in your working papers. Complete the assignment. If you have questions, please feel free to ask or discuss with your team. Now that you have finished your activity for 1-1, it is now time to take your partial quiz review. To do this, you will be taking a quiz on Google Form, so please make sure you review the video and you study the keywords presented in this section. Then you will find the class link to the quiz for Google Form on the class website. This section ends. Thank you for watching this PowerPoint. Please check your work with your teacher and then continue on to part 2.